Have you ever pondered why your mind perceives a series of dots in a circle as a complete shape rather than individual points? Welcome to the fascinating realm of Gestalt Psychology, a school of thought that emphasizes the idea that the whole of anything is greater than its parts. In the early 20th century, a new wave of thinking emerged in Germany, challenging the then dominant structuralist approach to psychology. This was the birth of the Gestalt School, a term derived from the German word Gestalt, meaning form or shape. The founding fathers of this revolutionary school of thought were Max Wertheimer, Kurt Kafka, and Wolfgang Kohler. They contended that human beings perceive the world around them as a unified whole. In other words, our minds tend to organize sensory experiences in a way that forms a meaningful, cohesive picture. Wertheimer, while on a journey by train, observed a series of separate stationary lights appearing as one moving light. This observation led to his revolutionary paper in 1912, Experimental Studies on the Perception of Movement. This paper is widely considered the birth certificate of Gestalt psychology.
Hey, amazing viewers, if you're enjoying the content, consider subscribing, hitting the follow button, and giving it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot and helps us create more awesome content. Feel free to share your thoughts below. Thanks for being a part of this journey.
Kafka, on the other hand, is best known for his work on perception and Gestalt development. He was the one who introduced Gestalt psychology to the English-speaking world. His book, Principles of Gestalt Psychology, is a classic in the field and remains a seminal text to this day. Kohler, a co-founder and a significant contributor, is renowned for his work on insight learning. His experiments with problem-solving in apes provide an understanding of cognitive processes and are still influential to this day. The Gestalt School proposes several principles to explain how our minds organize sensory information. These include the law of similarity, the law of proximity, the law of continuity, and the law of closure. Each of these laws provides a unique window into our perceptual organization and serves as a foundation for our understanding of human cognition. The law of similarity suggests that objects that look similar will be perceived as a group. The law of proximity posits that objects near to each other will be perceived as a group. The law of continuity proposes that our minds prefer continuous patterns, and the law of closure asserts that we tend to see complete figures even when part of the information is missing. But why does all of this matter? Well, Gestalt psychology has far-reaching implications and applications, from visual design and art to cognitive neuroscience and artificial intelligence. It aids in understanding the human mind's formidable power to make sense of the world around it. In conclusion, the Gestalt School of Psychology, born out of a train journey observation, has significantly influenced our understanding of human perception and cognition. The Gestalt principles, similarity, proximity, continuity, and closure, provide insights into how we organize and interpret the sensory information around us. So, the next time you see a series of dots forming a shape or a pattern, remember your mind is simply following the Gestalt principles at work. And that's the power of Gestalt psychology, making sense of the world, one perception at a time.